This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Open your document and activate the Page tool by pressing Shift+P on your keyboard. The Page tool lets you edit individual pages without affecting the whole document. Click any page to select it and reveal transform handles for width, height, and rotation. You can move the page on the pasteboard to reposition artwork or create irregular layouts. Use the Control panel to view numerical values for width and height while you work. This direct manipulation speeds precise layout adjustments across complex InDesign. With a page selected, use the Control panel to set width and height numerically. For example, set width to 8, 5 in and height to 11 in for standard letter pages. Rotate a page by entering 90 degrees or dragging the rotation handle for landscape orientation. Use Align options to snap the page to the spread or pasteboard edges for consistent positioning. Hold Shift while dragging to constrain movement to straight horizontal or vertical directions for precise alignment. When you edit a page with the Page tool, you do not change the master page itself. This lets you customize single pages while keeping master formatting intact. Double-click a page icon in the Pages panel to center that page on the pasteboard for easier editing. Use the Page tool together with primary text frames to preserve threaded text flow when changing page width or height. Always check linked objects and adjust anchors after resizing to maintain layout integrity across the document.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.